Alrighty guys, Jerry Daniel, Jordan Ford, Jordan Motor Cars, San Antonio. Everybody's been wanting a video of this little car on a cold start. So I wanted to come down today and get one for you. Danny's doing a great job of detailing it. We're not quite finished with it yet. I've also hooked the GoPro up there, as you can see. And I'm going to try and we're going to do we're going to do a video of me driving the car. Sunbeam Tiger. We still got some work to do on detailing the engine bay, but like I said, Danny's just getting on it and he'll make it pop under here. Really a lot of nice work done to this car. Oh, but here we go. Fred and Chris are going to give it a tune-up. But there's the cold start video. So now we're going to flip over to the GoPro and take her for a spin. So I'm going to sign off for now. These will be uploaded to my YouTube channel. One thing I do know about the car, the gas gauge does not work, nor does the speedometer. But we'll see what we can do about getting some or both of those things squared away if you guys want. Anyway, here we go.